face to face in the darkness, hanging from the stars without a harness. When the lights go out, it's gonna be me and you, me and you, me and
when I say
you.
I die for CC, they don't see what I see. My queen of queens, waiting for her prince I came. All I do is for CC, gets all of my LOVE. With her I never felt, I promise she feels like PE. Every line on my EP, from the mixtape singles to CDs. Pray to God she see me, making sure that she's eating. Highlights me when I'm weak, highlight on my weekends I need her. Wanna hear her singing in harmony, she's completed, get depleted. You take my money, give it all to be with her. When she's on the fire, I'ma be in the hot seat with her. Her problems are my problems, I wanna weep with her. Every time that doctor pulls a plug, I'm gonna sing to her.
Lights go out, it's gonna be me and you. When the lights go out, it's gonna be me and you, me and you. Standing face to face in the darkness, hanging from the stars without a harness. Lights go out, it's gonna be me and you, me and you.
It's funny how the safest can be the most dangerous. Those you love the most can cause you to feel so much hatred. I know you know you, I know you know me, I am not a stranger. You got me all in my tears, was just trying to help the situation. Hurt me more than my enemies ever could, but I'll take it. Leave you, no never, I never would have, my heart is breaking. Heard you been baiting, when your husband's out on vacation. Your doctrine changing, hating darker parts of your body, that's self-hatred. I know your past ain't pretty, so much you ashamed of. But your husband made a payment. I will protect you till the day you step into heaven's pavement. We live together, die together, forever. Say
When
it.
the lights go out, it's gonna be me and you. When the lights go out, it's gonna be me and you, me and you. Standing face to face in the darkness, hanging from the stars without a harness. Lights go out, it's gonna be me and you, me and you, me and you. Yeah, yeah. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Oh.
Tomorrow till eternity, I am you, and you are me. All I got, give me all you got. Everything you are, everything you're not. Give me all you got, give me all you got. Everything you are, everything
When
you're
the
not.
lights go out, it's gonna be me and you. When the lights go out, it's gonna be me and you, me and you.
I do it. Let me get some more vocals, yo. Turn me up, though. See the pretty young girl at the church, maybe black, maybe Spanish. Had a little vocal on her in the choir, said she loved Jesus and she had good credit. Few months in, and I'm making you my wife, Judy. She smiled and she asked me how I said, shh.
I'ma just do it.
You been dating that girl for like 6 years though. You living my faith though, or you living my fear though. You gotta be faithful, homie, you gotta be amazing. Put a ring on that girl like Muhammad Ali did the late. Like Fridays in Eastside, tell everybody that we will just do it.
I see what you're doing and that don't excite me. Get out of the way, I'm not asking for lies. I'm so affiliated, they know who this was. We do what we want, they just get to try. So
I'ma just do it.
I do it. I'ma just do it. I do it. I'ma just do it. I do it. I'ma just do it. No hesitation with no time for waiting. I promise it.
I'ma just do it.
I'ma just do it. I'ma just do it. I'ma just do it. I'ma just do it.
Look, I'ma go in, everybody stay down. I'ma go in, my dogs on both sides like a greyhound. Bus flows, don't pass, Wayne left, Rikers out in the battle. That's pretty cool, but great when it reached the Rikers out the same day was no valid. #1 album looking like. It gotta make sense, homie, you gotta make faith. Faith, the only thing that makes sense. The only time of life that is like that is when they work living. It's a life that will go and take risks. I'ma go and beat it, give me my Jesus. You don't believe it, you try not to rock the boat. I got a quote, I don't wanna rock the boat, I wanna sink it. I'ma just do it.
See what you doing and that don't excite me. Get out of the way, I'm not asking for life.
Let me talk about how I'm supposed to be at a Christmas party right now, but y'all keep keeping me in here. My wife's not gonna let me be on fleek if y'all don't hurry up. Bubba Watts on the mic now. Can I golfer spit a rhyme? Not a gangster rapper, but my caddy got a 9. KB need a verse. I told him ain't nothing to it. Everybody ask me why, I just look him in the eye and say,
I'ma just do it.
country boy from the panhandle. Country boy from the panhandle. No golf lessons, just God's blessings. Nothing he can't handle. Left-handed, funny swing. Driver's pank, ain't nothing major. Got 2 masters, no double major, but 1 master. I pray, thank